Yes, here I am everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friend, recently I received a call and the call just like this, ma'am. I have been learning this language for 2 years ago and still I am not improving. Still I have a problem, like if I speak in English in front of the people, so people will laugh at my English. So I generally confused how to speak in English fluently, how to learn this language. And on the other hand, my friend, he has been learning this language for 6 months ago and he can easily speak in English in front of the public. So why it is happening? Because I have been learning this language for 2 years ago and he has been learning this language only 6 months ago and he is improving, but I can't. Why it is happening? So yes, in today's video I'm going to tell you a motivational story. You must listen this story very carefully, and believe me, after listening this story I will give you an answer, but you will find this your answer automatically. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me wish to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So the story goes like this. Once upon a time there was a king. He was gifted with 2 eagles. The king liked 2 eagles very much. After a few days, the eagles grew up. The king saw these 2 eagles growing big and he was very happy to see them. Then one day, the king thought to keep a caretaker for these 2 eagles, and he did so. The king wanted to see both the eagles flying high. Then he came to the near caretaker and said to give a big signals. The caretaker did the same. Both the eagles understood the signals and flight into the sky. One eagle was flying high in the sky. On the other hand, the second eagle flying for few seconds and then came to sit the branches where he generally used to sit. Then the king asked to the caretaker why one eagle is flying high in the sky. On the other hand, second eagle was unable to flying high and came to its own branch again. The king was disgraced by the behavior of second eagle. The two eagle adorable to the king, and the king wanted to see second eagle flying high in the sky like the first eagle. So the king asked to the caretaker why it is happening like this. Then the caretaker said, "Sir, it was the problem from the beginning. It was not flying from long time in the sky." Then the king ordered to the caretaker, "O caretaker, make an announcement in the city. The person who will be able to make the second eagle flying high for more time will be rewarded. Includes so much cash, treasury, and so many treasures." After the announcement, many people came and tried to make the second eagle flying high in the sky, but no one was successful and were unable to make the second eagle flying high in the sky. So there was no improvement in the second eagle. No one was successful. So the king was the king lost all his hope. One day he was surprised to see both eagle flying high in the sky so much time, and he did not believe his eyes. He called the caretaker immediately and asked the reason for this. Then the caretaker replied, "Your Majesty, the second eagle is also flying high in the sky. When all the scholars gave up, so one person made this thing." Then the king eagerly asked the caretaker, "Who is the person who made the second eagle flying high. Immediately call him. I want to see him. And offer him so much cash. Immediately the next morning, the person came near the king. Okay. In the conversation, the king came to know that the man was a farmer. Then the king asked the farmer, many scholars were not successful to flying high the second eagle in the sky. Then how can you successful? Then the farmer said that, Your Majesty, I am just like a simple farmer. Okay, I don't do so much thing. I just cut the branches on which the second eagle generally used to sit. Then he had no any option other than flying high in the sky. So the king gave farmer so many gold coins. Okay, so this is a story. If we see in our life, we will find that we don't recognize our potential. We generally said that I am unable to get such thing, I am unable to do this thing. Okay, if we think like I am unable to learn this language, then it will happen in reality. Okay, because if you don't recognize your own power that inside you, how can you find your power? How can you learn any skill? So if you always think that we cannot do anything, so it will happen in reality. Okay, so we have to recognize our own power, and for this we have to give up our comfort zone. We generally think positive vibe, like I am strong, I can do this thing, I will learn this language. When we concentrate, when we try to learn any skill, then there is no one who can stop us. Okay, think positive and be happy and try to learn this language. Don't try to give up. Okay, all the things that you are facing, like okay, I can't able to speak in English, the words don't come in our mind, and I feel ashamed while learning this language, I feel ashamed while speaking in English in front of the public. But my dear friend, you need to first get out of your comfort zone. You are just thinking, you are not doing any effort, you are not taking any risk. Okay, you are just thinking, if I do this thing, so people will laugh at my English. Only you are thinking, you are not taking any effort. Okay, so you have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to show your courage that inside you. Where did that go? Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.